Hi guys, carry on really from doing the solar panels. So basically I've got it up here, back end of the passenger side rear of the vehicle. Got my solar in from the panels up here that come down in a bit of 20mm flexible conduit, comes down into here. This is into the isolator out, that comes down and goes in here. These are the wires that go to the battery, so they're going to go through the fuse, down and into here. I've already had it wired up somewhere else, I've had to move it, so that's why there's wires already connected. So it can come out, be discarded. Right, so if we wire this up here, Getting 45 volts. Okay, so everything's wired into the battery now, leisure batteries that is. The main van battery's not done yet, so what we do, we turn on, so this one, obviously heat shrink, got to be done. This one is so solar in, out, down here, PV in, solar into there, plus and minus. This is the battery. Leisure batteries, so negative, positive. Positive goes up through the fuse and then down to the battery. So we turn the battery on, so that's the battery connected. We got voltage and power, no solar at the moment. Turn the solar on, MPPT in, that's the float charge. Still got to read the book on this. 1.1 amp. .44 volts. .5 amp. So that's going to trickle charge the batteries up, so that's all working okay. I'm happy with that. Okay, so that's how you wire it in. So solar in through from the panels down through the ceiling, roof, down through 20mm conduit, break out into that isolator, out round the back, down through into here, out through the fuse, up to there, down to the batteries. Hope that helps, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending on how you feel. Please subscribe to the channel if you would. That'd help me out greatly. Thanks ever so much. See you on the next one.